Good morning people! Good morning, good morning! Magandang umaga o kaya magandang hapon sa inyo. Eto, this is my third project maybe. This is my third. I am trying to make a pouch for accessories or jewelries. So if this is a pouch for jewelries, I need a lot of pockets. So I am trying to make pockets for necklace, bracelets. So I will make here a loop so that the necklace I will hang here on this side, but it has to be covered. May cover dapat para hindi siya magtanggal sa other accessories. Also earrings, yung mga earrings na button earrings, yung mga ilalagay ko dito, dapat may packet-packet siya in between. Tapos, i-close ko siya ng ganyan. This is a DIY. So, if you are trying to make also pouch for accessories, dapat talaga may mga packet siya para hindi siya makombine sa iba't ibang accessories. Hindi ka naghahanap ng kanilang mga pair. So, we'll try again to make these packets. Ito, meron akong nagawa. This is the first one I will put here on this side. And I will stitch for accessories. Okay. And this right here, I will put here also on this side for ewan ko pa, basta packet siya. So, let us continue our pattern. Our pattern is the no gap. Yung walang gap para hindi lulusot ang ating ilalagay. Anyway, it's not a problem naman na lulusot siya kasi lalagyan ko siya ng loop dito para doon ko isabit. Kapag accessory o kapag necklace, meron siyang loop dito sa loob para doon ko isabit yung necklace. Tapos, parang nakabulsa lang siya na in between na ganito. Para yung necklace na nakasabit dito, hindi siya magtanggal sa ibang mga necklace. So, I will make this no gap knitting pattern. Insert mo siya sa second chain, pull, and then sa below, insert mo din ang iyong needle, and then pull the strand, and then pull over 2 loops. Then repeat the steps. The first one I made was a pouch for sanitary napkins. Second one was pouch for hygiene kits. O, di ba? Naggumawa ako ng customized pouch para sa length and tsaka sa dimensions na gusto ko. That is the perk of creating your own pouch. And this time, accessories ang project ko. I will make a pouch for accessories. And then stitch 2 for the next row. And then on the first chain from below, insert your needle and then pull the thread. And then on the bottom part, insert the needle and then pull the strand, pull over 2 loops. Okay, and then repeat. I pull over, pull, and then second thread. If you want to use a bigger thread, you can use, but I have a lot of thread like this. That's why I am utilizing all the threads. Okay, but you can use any size of thread. Second the chain, pull the thread, insert again your needle, then pull the strand, pull over 2 loops. Repeat. Locate for the second chain, pull your thread, insert again from down, pull your thread, you will have 3 loops, pull over 2 loops. This is how simple to make this no gap knitting pattern. You'll have, oh, this is just one pattern. I love doing this no gap pattern para hindi nakikita yung mga ilalagay mo sa loob. I can use this for my previous pouch. I use also no gap pattern. In my first pouch, I use the double chain design. But on this pouch, I can show you that I also use the star design. See, I use the star design here from the back. On the pockets, on the pouches, I use this no gap design. Okay guys, for the full tutorial I will upload once I'm done with this project.